So this is the drier side of the garden. I don't water this one as much. I actually really don't water that much. Everything else, all those weeds are from the rain. This is an Echium, and all those stems will produce a big pink flower cluster that will be pretty large. Once that starts growing, then I'll get a picture of that one. But it's still kind of spreading up and putting out shoots. Then back there, that's a California lilac. It's not really a lilac, it's in the buckthorn family. But it's called that because the flower clusters kind of look a lot like, I guess, the lilac flower clusters, but the flowers are really small. That's another hollyleaf cherry, and then some prickly pears. The plant in the back there with chartreuse flowers, if you can see that. That's a spurge, euphorbia. It's toxic, but it has kind of really interesting flower clusters. Let's see if I can. Here's one that's closer to the front. You can see, I can see that there. So that one's actually starting to form seed pods. And the leaves are just kind of interesting, blue-green. But they have this milky sap. I don't know if you can see it. Probably better than that one. Right there. And then that right there, that's an Echium right there. That's what happens when the central growing tip isn't cut off or frozen out, as what happened with that other one. So that one will form just one flower cluster. And then that's another California lilac. And this is actually a really deep blue-purple color. And so you can see the flowers right there. So those are hundreds of little flowers. And then here is the vegetable patch. It's kind of being blown out, but so eventually things will grow in. Nothing has sprouted really yet, but hopefully within the next week or so I'll start seeing things coming up. And then back there with a bunch of junk, those are artichoke plants.